Hi there. What's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Do you have any friends?
Yes, I have a friend named Emily.
How old is Emily?
She's 10 years old.
Can you describe Emily?
Emily has brown hair and blue eyes. She's very friendly and always smiling.
What does Emily do?
She is a student. She goes to Greenfield Elementary School.
When is Emily's birthday?
Her birthday is on June 10th.
What is Emily's favorite color?
Emily loves the color purple.
Does she have any favorite food?
Yes, she really likes pizza.
What does Emily like to do in her free time?
She enjoys drawing and playing soccer.
Does Emily have any hobbies?
Yes, she collects stickers and stamps.
Tell me about Emily's family.
Emily has a mother, father, and a younger brother.
What's her mother's name?
Her mother's name is Jane.
And her father?
Her father's name is John.
Does Emily have any pets?
Yes, she has a cute dog named Max.
What does Emily's mom do for a living?
Emily's mom is a teacher.
How about her dad?
Her dad works as an engineer.
What does Emily like to do with her family?
They often go on picnics and play board games together.
Does Emily have any dislikes?
She doesn't like broccoli.
What's her favorite subject in school?
Emily really enjoys math.
Does she have a favorite book?
Yes, her favorite book is The Adventures of Peter Pan.
What kind of music does Emily like?
She likes listening to pop music.
Does Emily have a favorite TV show?
Her favorite TV show is a cartoon called Adventure Time.
What's Emily's dream?
She dreams of becoming a famous artist someday.
Does Emily play any musical instruments?
Yes, she plays the piano.
What's her favorite holiday?
Emily loves Eid al-Fitr.
Does she have a favorite sport?
Soccer is her favorite sport.
Does Emily like to cook?
Yes, she enjoys helping her mom in the kitchen.
What's her favorite dessert?
Emily loves chocolate ice cream.
Does she have a favorite place to visit?
She likes going to the park with her friends.
What's Emily's favorite season?
Her favorite season is summer.
Does she have any siblings?
Yes, she has a younger brother named Jake.
What's Jake like?
Jake is energetic and loves playing video games.
What's Emily's favorite movie?
Her favorite movie is The Lion King.
Does she have a favorite animal?
Emily loves dolphins.
What's her favorite school subject?
Math is her favorite subject.
Does Emily like to travel?
Yes, she enjoys visiting new places with her family.
What's her favorite fruit?
Emily really likes strawberries.
Does she have a favorite board game?
Her favorite board game is Monopoly.
What's Emily's favorite type of weather?
She likes sunny days.
Does she have any nicknames?
Yes, her friends call her M.
What's Emily's favorite school activity?
She loves art class.
Does she have any fears?
Emily is afraid of spiders.
What's her favorite type of shoe?
Emily likes wearing sneakers.
Does she have any role models?
Her role model is her mom.
What's Emily's favorite type of candy?
She loves gummy bears.
Does she have a favorite color for her room?
Emily likes to decorate her room with pink.
What's her favorite board game?
Candyland is her favorite board game.
Does she have any talents?
Emily is good at drawing and singing.
What's Emily's favorite cartoon character?
She loves SpongeBob SquarePants.
Does Emily have a favorite bedtime story?
Her favorite bedtime story is Good Night Moon.
What are some good qualities of Emily?
Emily is kind-hearted, always willing to help others, and has a great sense of humor.
Does she share her belongings with friends?
Yes, Emily is very generous and likes to share her toys and snacks with her friends.
How does Emily support her friends?
She is a good listener and offers support when her friends are feeling down.
Is Emily a responsible friend?
Absolutely. She takes responsibility for her actions and cares about her friends' well-being.
What makes Emily a good friend?
Emily is reliable and always there for her friends, making them feel valued.
Does Emily have any bad qualities?
Sometimes Emily can be a bit forgetful and may misplace things.
Does she have any habits that bother her friends?
Occasionally, she interrupts others while they're speaking, unintentionally.
How does Emily handle conflicts with friends?
She tends to be a bit stubborn during disagreements, but is open to resolving conflicts.
Does Emily ever procrastinate?
Yes, she sometimes procrastinates on homework or chores.
Does Emily learn from her mistakes?
While she might repeat mistakes, Emily is open to learning and improving.
How did you and Emily become friends?
We met in school and bonded over our shared interests.
What do you like the most about your friendship with Emily?
I appreciate how Emily always supports me and makes me laugh.
Have you ever had disagreements with Emily?
Yes, but we talk it out and find a solution to our disagreements.
How do you and Emily celebrate each other's successes?
We usually celebrate by doing something fun together, like going to the movies or having a small party.
What's your favorite memory with Emily?
One of my favorite memories is when we had a picnic in the park and laughed a lot.
How do you help each other during tough times?
We offer a listening ear and provide emotional support when either of us is going through a tough time.
What's the most challenging thing about your friendship with Emily?
Sometimes it's challenging when Emily forgets our plans, but we work through it.
How do you and Emily resolve conflicts?
We talk openly about our feelings, listen to each other, and find a compromise.
Do you and Emily have any inside jokes?
Yes, we have several inside jokes that always make us laugh.
What qualities in Emily make her a unique friend?
Emily's uniqueness lies in her creativity and the positive energy she brings to our friendship.
How do you and Emily support each other's goals?
We encourage and motivate each other to pursue our dreams and goals.
Do you and Emily have similar or different hobbies?
We have some similar hobbies, but we also appreciate and respect each other's differences.
How do you and Emily handle misunderstandings?
We communicate openly, clarify any misunderstandings, and ensure our friendship remains strong.
What's one thing you've learned from Emily?
I've learned to be more patient and understanding from Emily.
How does Emily make your life better?
Emily adds joy and laughter to my life, making each day brighter. Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time, and happy learning!